Welcome to this video on how biometric forensics is saving mobile payments in 2026. We will discuss securing digital transactions using a living identity. Mobile payments are growing rapidly, but this growth comes with increasing security threats. Traditional biometrics are no longer sufficient to counter these advanced threats. The problem stems from vulnerabilities like fake fingerprints, replay attacks, and general sensor vulnerabilities that fraudsters exploit. Biometric forensics is the scientific analysis of biometric data. It is vital for detecting spoofing and providing crucial legal evidence in fraud cases. Biometric forensics offers a leap forward from traditional biometrics. It moves from static pattern matching to dynamic biological verification, making it more secure and less spoofable. Spoofing mechanisms often involve synthetic skin, pattern replication, or deceiving the sensor itself to mimic a valid biometric input. The core of biometric forensics is identifying the, quote, living signal. This involves analyzing sweat pores, dynamic fingerprint characteristics, and biological behavior. Forensic indicators include observing ridge deformation, sweat activity, and time-based changes in the biometric data to confirm liveness. To prevent replay attacks, we rely on encrypted tokens, one-time authentication methods, and robust device-binding protocols. Zero-trust architecture is crucial. It requires continuous verification and secure processing, meaning we never trust the input implicitly. Biology wins because the living signal is not copyable, is inherently dynamic, and changes over time, making it nearly impossible to replicate perfectly. The impact of biometric forensics is significant, leading to reduced fraud, more secure mobile payments, and ultimately, greater user trust. The future involves sensors that can feel life, advanced AI integration, and continuous authentication throughout the transaction process. In conclusion, the key takeaway is that identity must be proven alive, not just matched against a stored template. Thank you for watching this video.